It's Tim Albright with AVNation with the Road to ISE. Integrated Systems Europe happens the 30th of January through the 2nd of February. And with me to talk about Atlona and their stand is my buddy Garth Lobban. Welcome, sir.
Hello, Tim. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year. We get to see you in Hall 2 Q300, Q as in Queen 300. We know Atlona, you guys, a couple years ago, got to be part of the folks at Panduit. So all kinds of good stuff, construction, pre-construction, and certainly classroom and conferencing technology. So this time around, what will we find in the Atlona stand?
Well, we've, if you will, embiggened the booth this year a little bit. We actually have 8 working stations at the stand because you can display products and that's fine for folks, but we like to put it into working stations that actually represent how you're going to use it. So we have everything from hospitality to university, corporate offices, to even working stations on software tools and things like that. So we'll have all the usual cast of characters there. Our AV over IP system, OmniStream, we're going to show that in a hospitality setting as well as a university setting. Our Omega products will be there on hand. We'll be showing that in a variety of office spaces. In addition, we'll be showing a K through 12 environment with a new classroom switcher. You heard it here first in our K through 12 environment, and a couple of other good goodies spread around the booth.
One thing that you guys have been known for is developing software that runs your products. How important? I'm not going to ask you, how the size of your software development team, but from an AV standpoint, because Garth has been around for a minute in the industry, but how important is that software development inside any manufacturer today?
It's really important, Tim, and it's not just the software that will ultimately run the system like our Velocity control over IP system, right? But it's other firmware inside of the product that's really critical as well. And we're beginning to spend a lot more attention, like a lot of companies are, to to grow that team and to make it a big impact for the customer when they go to set up our products. The software to run it has to be easy, has to be able to be remotely managed, and it also has to be seamless for the end user.
Garth, Hall 2 Q300 is where we will find you, is where we'll find Atlona. But if somebody is not going to Barcelona and they want to follow along with everything that Atlona is talking about that week, how do they do that?
You can find us at atlona.com, real easy. We'll have an ISE link to allow people to come and see the landing page for everything we're going to have at the show. And of course, after the show, you can catch up on all the items that you learned about when you came to visit us.
All right, very good. Garth Lobban from Atlona. For us, for AVNation, go by our website, avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv. Follow along as we also head to ISE 2024, the 30th of January, good Lord, September, through the 2nd of February. All that and more at avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.